I want you to think of your time in Maths-Whizz Tutor with a new concept called return on investment. Each of the runners in this video are about to invest 30 minutes on the track running laps. Time invested is 30 minutes. Return on investment is the number of laps they make in that time. Tama's time has started and he's running hard, trying his best. He has invested 30 minutes and his return on investment is 5 laps. Katie's time has started, but she is walking and putting in a minimal effort. She will also invest 30 minutes and her return on investment is only 2 laps. Will's time has started, but he has sat down and is playing video games, making no effort and getting distracted. He has also invested 30 minutes and has no return on investment. Tama was really focused and tried his best. He managed to run 5 laps. In Maths-Whizz every week, your return on investment counter is set to 0. This is the time invested box, and this is the return on investment, how many progressions box. In Tutor, you learn new things and make learning progressions. Our target for you is a minimum of 4 progressions a week. Once you have done your 4 progressions, we encourage you to then practice what you have learnt by doing your no medal exercises in replay. We then encourage you to work in both tutor and replay for the rest of the week. Remember Tama, who worked hard for 30 minutes on the track and made 5 laps? He was really focused and tried his best. Here is his Maths-Whizz study. He has invested 30 minutes in Maths-Whizz and his return on investment is 5 progressions. We would now recommend to Tama that he spent some time in replay practicing his no medal exercises and alternating between his tutor and replay until the end of the week. Remember Katie, who walked around the track for 30 minutes and only made 2 laps? She walked instead of running, so didn't get the best return on her investment of 30 minutes. Here is her Maths-Whizz study. She has invested 30 minutes in Whizz and her return on investment is 2 progressions. We would encourage her to keep going in tutor and ask her teacher if she needs help with anything. Remember Will, who sat down on the track and didn't run any laps? He played computer games instead and got no return on his investment of time. Here's his Maths-Whizz study. He has invested 30 minutes in Whizz and has 0 progressions. His teacher will be able to see in their reports what he has been doing, and it is likely that he started an exercise but was playing another game or was very distracted, and he risks losing his valuable computer time. He is also not learning anything new in Maths-Whizz and can't get that 30 minutes back again. So next time he is on Maths-Whizz, he should focus and try to get a good return on his investment of time. We encourage you to maintain a minimum of 4 progressions each week so you can make sure you have your green tick in your teacher's reports at the end of the year, and maybe get a certificate for each term or at the end of the year for maintaining a green tick overall. Here is a photo of 2 brains. The green one on the left shows a fixed mindset. This is when a person sees a question is hard and their response is, "I can't do it." The red brain on the right shows the activity when a student has a growth mindset. They believe in themselves even if it is hard, even when they get it wrong. Scientists tell us the brain grows when we believe in ourselves and our brain is being challenged. Maths-Whizz will always challenge you at your level, so sometimes it is hard. We have created fun exercises where you do your new learning, and then when you have shown you understand the new learning, you are given a short 5-question test. If you pass the test, you make 1 learning progression and move on to another exercise. Maths-Whizz will not allow you to earn credits by doing maths that isn't going to grow your brain. It is important to keep your can-do attitude. Your teacher and I love to help you when you are not understanding it fully, so please just ask. We believe in you. You can choose your attitude towards learning on Maths-Whizz. I love it when I can help you learn things that you don't know, and I want to help you make sure your brain is growing and that you get the best return on your investment of time in Maths-Whizz this year.